What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today our topic is the PlayStation 5 error, and error is CE-108889-4. Please install the system software update. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. Here we go to the screen. Here we are at the screen, and you can get the notification about the new system software update. And if not, then you go to the settings. Here we are at the settings and the system. Here, download the file automatically, install the file automatically, and if you need to update, you'll be using internet and USB also. And here you just check your system software update features and know about the features, what is changing, and after that you just update from here by using the internet. And you must check the system storage also. Sometimes you don't have enough storage and you try to download or update the system software, it's not going to happen and you get the error again. So, and in the last, you just turn off a PlayStation 5. If is it not working, go to save mode. There is a rebuild database. Simply rebuild the database. After rebuilding database, corrupted file will be deleted and your Sony will work properly. A PlayStation 5, you can again update your system software on it. That's how you can do it, and I hope you found my video helpful for you, and see you soon for the next one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See ya.